Hello guys, good morning. I'm happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and today I'm gonna do a Winsor blue base painting. I already made it. It turned out amazing. The dried result is also on my Instagram as well, so if you saw that, check it out how I made that. But I promised you in this series I would start answering some questions or reacting on comments. And yeah, I got some comments that you were afraid to start. Where do you start with pouring or art? And that you get frustrated because you can't get things right. But you know, I've been there too. So if you would have showed me 10 years ago what I would create in the following years, I would never ever believed you because I always thought I wasn't creative. You know, I was a problem solver, but I couldn't create things. No, that was not my thing, that others did that, you know. And I watched others make the most gorgeous things, and I always thought by myself, how are they doing that, you know? How's that coming from their head, and do they know how to do that? But it's all about starting somewhere. If you see my first artworks or designs, you would have never thought, oh, Rinske made this. But I did. They were horrible, really. But there's no fun if everything that you do works out immediately. But I think a lot of things has to do with we pressure ourselves. You know, so when I see someone create something beautiful, I feel like I need to be there on that standard as well. But you're not. It's all about having fun. So stop. Wait a minute. Yeah. All right. Skip that pressure. Go in, get your paints, and just think, today I'm gonna have fun. It doesn't matter the outcome. Today I'm gonna have fun. We learn. This is a learning school. So everything you do, if you're busy with it or only thinking about it, you're learning. And we can learn to be creative. And some people just have the talent, I know. But we can learn because it's coming from the heart. So think, I'm gonna have fun. I don't have to create something gorgeous, most stunning. Not at all. I'm gonna play, have fun, and let's go. You know, I just love these minis so much. You see here, just a little bit of the violet. So maybe next time I will end with the violet. Let me focus a bit. Here the gold is breaking up a bit. So I hope that dries like that and won't break further. But yeah, this is a cutie. Very cool.